Hey friends, in this video we're going to walk you through how to assemble your Rite in the Rain medium display. First, you'll need to remove all the components from the shipper, including the handy instruction sheet, the accordion support piece, the removable header card, and the display itself. To assemble the display, you'll want to completely unfold it and turn it face down on a clean work surface. Pre-folding the scores will make for a much easier assembly. To assemble, fold over the side pieces which have the clouds printed on them and insert the locking tabs into the slots found in the base. Fold the back and front locking tabs in 90 degrees. Fold the front panel up and over the front locking tabs. If you've pre-folded the scores, the shelf will be an easy back and forth fold. You'll now use the accordion support piece to support the shelf by tucking it in underneath. The shelf is now strong enough to support the product's weight. Make sure those back wings remain in place as you fold the back panel up and over them. Make sure the locking tabs tuck snugly into the notches provided. All that's left is to insert the removable header cards tabs into the top slots. Your Rite in the Rain display is now ready for product. Give us a call with any questions, and thanks for your support.